When you chop up an audio file, you might want to turn it into a new file so that you can perform editing to it and not affect the original. This is called bouncing. Let's say we cut this file at the end and move it over a bit. Now double-click on it. It should say Sample Editor at the top of the window. Right-click on the main top part of the window and make sure that View Options is selected. Press the Show Audio Event button. This lets you see the audio file and slightly darkens the parts that you're not using. You can actually adjust the event start and end time, which is also reflected on the project page. All this is nice, but we don't want all this extra audio information here. We want to get rid of it. Close the sample editor. Make sure the event is still highlighted and then choose Bounce Selection from the audio menu. This has just created a new audio file that is exactly this long and placed it in the audio pool. Since we want to use this new shorter file, press the Replace button. Now double-click on the event and you'll notice it doesn't contain any extra audio. Sometimes you may want to keep the extra audio so that you can come back to it if need be. Instead of bouncing every piece of audio, you can make regions. Regions are almost like markers for audio files that just remember certain points within the audio file. Click the Show Regions button over here. Then, in this window, we can add, delete, select, and play regions. Let's add 2 regions. Use the first tool, the Range Selection tool, and select an area you like. Now press the Add Region button. You can name it whatever you like. Now add another. Only one region will be displayed at a time. Just select it in the list here to view it. You can adjust the regions as you wish using these markers or by entering new values here. Close the sample editor and erase the audio files from the project page. Open the pool and you'll notice a plus sign beside the audio file. These are our new regions. We can drag these back out into the project page whenever we need them. Now let's say we have a click in an audio file and we need to repair it. Double-click on the audio file and enter the sample editor. Zoom in close enough so that the audio file becomes a single line. At this point, you can use the Draw tool and redraw the audio file and repair the click. It's that easy.